Ayan guys, mag-unboxing tayo ng ating bagong karaoke guys. Yan ang katas na ating kamera ko sa YouTube guys. Wow! Karaoke! Grabe. Ang sama ito. Ito yung karaoke? Ito yung mic na eh. Maganda sa ito guys, so ayun o. Ito yung itsura niya guys. Ito yung itsura niya guys, so ito yung itsura niya. Bibigyan natin guys. So ilang itsura mo.
Let's explore the town with locking from the never come aboba red no frown live sa YouTube kwento laging tuloy-tuloy kanta luto galawa lang sablay
Parang malaki ito ba?
laging saya travel goals kahit sa
Kung ito po rin nila ito?
from PH to Canada UK to the rest from the vibes worldwide
Ito guys, so
laging
wow!
sa live sa kusina kahit
Ganda
sa
guys.
So like, share, don't forget to subscribe sa channel na may good vibes all the time.
Ito guys, so
Mahilig
kasi guys, so pili siyang buhat-buhatin kung saan yung speaker. Tapos meron na siya may dalawa din siyang speaker guys. Papakita ko sa inyo guys. Ito guys yung unboxing natin guys. So ito yung Soundcore Raid 3S EI Karaoke Party Speaker. Tapos sabi niya dito guys ay sing like a pro. Wow. And party like a legend. Wow! Mas naman, maging totoo kaya yun. Tapos dito guys, ito guys, brand new to guys, sabi niya natin. Katas ng ating pinaghirapan sa YouTube. Ayan, tapos ito guys yung dalawang mic sa likod. May mic na siya guys. Oh. Ang mic niya is ginaganon lang yan guys. Tapos pindutin mo lang siya. So hindi pa yata naka-charge ito. Ay, lalagyan pa ng battery ito. Lamo, no? Lalagyan pa ito ng battery. Yan, titignan natin guys kung paano itong i-operate, okay? Tignan natin lahat guys. Tignan nyo guys yung kulay pa lang guys, oh. Oh, astig na guys. Tignan natin guys, ah.
Let's go.
Ayan guys, oh. Ito na yung mic. Oh, wireless na mic ito guys. So, para mag-listen siya. Oh. Ganito no. Meron na yung bass ng speakers. Ito guys yung ating brand new first ever na video natin sa ating pagkakalas sa YouTube. Yun o. Tingnan natin guys, oh. Maganda siya no? Ano mo? Maganda yung kanyang dalawang mic ito guys. So, meron pa isa. Ano? Pakita mo kayo isa naman. Yun mo. Pwede magsabay yan eh. Oh, i-click mo lang yung ano, yan. Yan. Uy no. Salta ka na.
Janelle,
Oh, dalawa kayo na guys. Salta guys.
we are going to sing later.
Oh, in the same time guys, sabay kami nagsasalta. So, maganda yung ano na to. Nakita kasi namin to guys sa nag-sale. So, talagang pinuntahan namin kasi mahal ito guys. Nasa 16,000 siguro. 12,000 pesos siguro ito. So, nagmura naman siya siguro mga 8,000 gano'n. Kaya ayun o, pinuntahan namin agad. Kaya, tingnan niyo naman yung kulay niya guys. Oh, nag-iiba yung kulay niya. Oh. Ito guys ay Soundcore RAV 3S. Yan. Sabi nga, AI Karaoke. Yan. I-connect natin ngayon guys sa TV. Yan, tignan natin guys ha. I-testing na natin guys yung ating bagong karaoke. Uy, let's go guys. Tignan natin. Hello guys, ito yan. Pinipare natin yung ating TV sa binili nating bagong speaker. Ayun na guys. Tignan natin guys ha. Ayan guys, bali nakakonect na yung ating speakers sa ating TV. Ayan o. Yan. Ito guys, regalo ko sa aking asawa at kay Janelle. Kasi Mahilig silang mag-video. Okay. Huwag yung laking comedy. Doon tayo sa iba naman. Ayan guys, oh. Umiilaw-ilaw siya guys, oh. Ang ganda. Ang ganda pa lang guys, oh, nung yung output ng boses natin. Ayan. Anong gusto mo na ako? Last Christmas ba yan? O 12 days to Christmas naman? Ayan guys, kanta tayo guys First song natin dito sa ating new karaoke. It's the first day of Christmas, my true love sent to me. A bird sings in the fir tree. On the second day of Christmas, my true love sent to me. Two turtle doves and a partridge in a fir tree. On the third day of Christmas, my true love sent to me. 3 French fries, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the fourth day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 4 calling birds, 3 French fries, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a fir tree. On the fifth day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a fir tree. Wow! Day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 6 sleigh, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French fries, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a fir tree. On the seventh day of Christmas, my true love sent to me Nakatahan swans sa swing, 5 golden wings, 4 golden birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a fir tree. Day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 8 maids of milk, 7 swans are swimming, it's a lake, 5 golden wings, 4 golden birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a fir tree. On the ninth day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 9 ladies dancing, 8 maids of milking, 7 swans screaming, 6 years away, 5 golden wings, 4 golden birds, 6 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a fir tree. Day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 10 Lord of living, 9 ladies dancing, 8 sisters milking, 7 spices swinging, 6 kids on lake, 5 golden rings, 4 jolly birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a fir tree. On the 11th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 11 pipers piping, lords are looking, 9 ladies dancing, 8 maids of milking, 7 swans are swimming, 6 kids are laying, 5 golden rings, 4 golden birds, and 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a fir tree. On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 12 drummers drumming, 11 pipers piping, 10 lords are looking, 9 ladies dancing, 8 maids of milking, 7 swans are swimming, 6 kids are laying, 5 golden rings, 4 golden birds, 3 friends dancing, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a fir tree. Ayan guys, talagang subok na guys itong aking bagong Sancor. Ganda guys. Sulit na sulit basta sa let's go guys, thank you guys.